Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma libraries. Figma libraries are powerful tools that centralize your design system, allowing teams to share and reuse components, styles, and variables across multiple files. This ensures consistency and efficiency in your design process. Imagine having a single source of truth for all your buttons, colors, and typography. It saves countless hours and helps maintain a cohesive brand identity across all your projects, making collaboration much smoother. To build your library, start by creating components from your design elements, such as a button or an input field. Then, define and publish your text styles, color styles, and effect styles. Once these are ready, publish them to your team library. This makes them accessible to everyone. Remember to organize your components and styles into logical categories, perhaps using a clear naming convention, to ensure they are easy to find and use later on. Once your library is published, accessing its assets is straightforward. In any Figma file, simply open the Assets panel on the left sidebar. You will see all your published components and styles listed there. Just drag and drop a component onto your canvas to use it. You can also easily swap component instances, for example, changing a primary button to a secondary one directly from the right-hand Properties panel, saving you valuable time. Maintaining your library is crucial for long-term consistency. When you make changes to a component or style in your main library file, publish those updates. Consuming files will then show a notification, allowing designers to review and accept the changes. This ensures everyone is working with the most current versions. Regular communication with your team about any significant updates or additions to the library is also key to a smooth and collaborative design workflow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.